Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Adobe Creative Cloud, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Adobe Creative Cloud, start by downloading the Creative Cloud installation file from Adobe's official website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. If prompted, enter your computer's administrator password to allow the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, launch the Adobe Creative Cloud application. If you already have an Adobe ID, enter your email and password to sign in. If you do not have an Adobe ID, click on Create an Account and fill in the required information. After signing in, you will be taken to the Creative Cloud dashboard. From the dashboard, you can view all available Adobe software. To activate a specific application, locate it in the list and click Install. The installation will begin, and you can monitor its progress through the progress bar. After installation, launch the application you just installed. Upon first launch, you may need to sign in again with your Adobe ID. If you have a subscription, your software should now be activated automatically. In case you are using a trial version, you can start your trial from this point. For any activation issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. If problems persist, visit the Adobe support page for troubleshooting steps. Once activated, you can begin creating with the full features of Adobe Creative Cloud. Enjoy exploring all the applications offered and enhancing your creative projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.